There's always something wonderful and exciting waiting to be discovered out there. We're really lucky because at the end of March, we spotted this object in our data moving against the background stars. It looked fuzzy, which is a good clue for us that this object might be a comet. In this case, we could tell right away that this object was going to make a very close pass by the Sun, which for a comet means things can get kind of exciting. My name's Amy Mainzer, and I'm a professor of planetary sciences at the University of Arizona. I'm also the principal investigator of the NEOWISE mission, which is a NASA spacecraft. NEOWISE is the Near-Earth Object Wide Field Infrared Survey Explorer. This is a satellite that is currently orbiting the Earth and looking out into deep space. Its primary objective now is to spot asteroids and comets that get close to the Earth and say something about their sizes and their reflectivities, and also to discover some of them along the way too. We found Comet NEOWISE because we're doing a search for potentially hazardous asteroids and comets. In other words, we keep watch for things that get close to the Earth because we want to know if there's anything out there that has our names on it. As a byproduct of that search, sometimes we find things that are just beautiful to look at and really scientifically interesting, like this particular comet. But we definitely want to keep watching the skies because we want to know what's out there. You can see in this image that the comet looks like a kind of red fuzzy blob moving against the background. The reason that you see 3 images of the comet is because I've taken a set of exposures of it and I've sort of added them together so that you can see the progress of the object moving across the background. And that gives you an idea of just kind of how we spot these things. We look for motion across the sky. It's a really good idea to go look for this comet as soon as you can because this is really a once in our lifetime and once in pretty much everybody's lifetime experience. This comet orbits the Sun about every 6,000 or 7,000 years. So it's not coming back. Once it goes away from the Sun, it's going to stay for thousands of years in the deep, dark, cold refrigerator of deep space, and we won't see it again. We are so lucky in Tucson. We have some of the most beautiful, pristine dark skies anywhere. And this is a really great thing for trying to spot something like this comet. So if you look out in the night sky and you can just get a little bit away from some of the city lights or just, to a dark corner of your neighborhood somewhere, you'll have a much easier time spotting it. It's putting on a spectacular light show for us here on Earth.